today we're going to be learning about AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. Alright, let's begin. Let's get into what the Cloud Adoption Framework is. It is a quick proliferation of digital technologies that have accelerated change and increased competition across the market industries. Therefore, sustaining any particular competitive advantage has been difficult over time, and enterprises are being forced to recreate themselves in shorter time intervals. To give a specific example, 50% of companies on the S&P 500 are projected to be replaced within the next decade. Therefore, one's ability to effectively leverage the cloud to digitally transform is supported by a set of foundational organizational abilities. AWS's Cloud Adoption Framework, or CAF, locates these capabilities and gives customized guidance that thousands of organizations around the world have successfully used to accelerate their cloud transformation journeys. AWS and its partner network can provide resources that help with each step of the process. AWS's Professional Services is a worldwide team of professionals that can help provide assistance through a collection of cloud adoption framework offerings that help you achieve desired outcomes. So here's the table of contents of what we will discuss today. First, we'll delve into what is the Cloud Adoption Framework, then discuss its benefits, how it works, and some of its use cases. So first, what is the Cloud Adoption Framework? Well, the definition is that it's a framework that helps organizations efficiently relocate to AWS. It's used to identify organizational capabilities that could improve your cloud readiness. It's capable of doing things in the aspects of business, people, governance, platform, security, and operations. So let's discuss some of those 6 capabilities into a little bit of a deeper depth. So first, business. This helps make sure that cloud investments accelerate their digital transformation ambitions and their business results. Common stakeholders or people involved in this would include the CEO, CFO, COO, CIO, and CTO. Next, people. The Cloud Adoption Framework acts as a connection between technology and business, and it quickens the cloud journey to help organizations grow and evolve. It helps invent a culture of continuous growth and learning, and change will become the normal for businesses. This revolves around focusing in on culture, organizational structure, leadership, and workforce. And some of the common stakeholders include the CIO, the COO, the CTO, the cloud director, as well as cross-functional and enterprise-wide leaders. Next, governance and platform. So the Cloud Adoption Framework will help you coordinate your cloud initiatives. It maximizes your organizational benefits and minimizes transformation-related risks. Some common stakeholders include the Chief Transformation Officer, CIO, CTO, CFO, Chief Data Officer, and Chief Risk Officer. The next capability is platform. The Cloud Adoption Framework will help you build an enterprise-grade, scalable, and hybrid cloud platform by modernizing existing workloads. It also will help you apply new cloud-native solutions, and this revolves around including CTO, technology leaders, architects, and engineers. Lastly, the 2 final capabilities are security and operations. So the Cloud Adoption Framework will help you achieve confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of data in cloud workloads. And this revolves around the CISO, or Chief Information Security Officer, the Chief Compliance Officer, internal audit leaders, as well as security architects and engineers. And next, operations. The Cloud Adoption Framework will help guarantee that your cloud services are delivered at a level that meets the needs and expectations of your business. Common stakeholders include infrastructure and operations leaders, site reliability engineers, and information technology service managers. So here's a little table that includes all of the capabilities and what specifically can be done within each of the 6 capabilities that we just discussed. Next, what are some of the benefits of the cloud adoption framework? So, first, it lowers the business risk by improving reliability, performance, and security. It can help boost efficiency by lowering costs and bettering productivity. It can help you increase revenue by creating products and services that are able to reach customers all around the world. It can help improve government and social relations by improving transparency and corporate truth. How does the cloud adoption framework work? So first, uses it revolves around envisioning an idea. So you have to identify and prioritize transformation opportunities in line with your strategic objectives. Associating your transformation initiatives with key stakeholders and measurable business outcomes will help you show value as you make progress through your transformation journey. Next, align. It The cloud adoption framework identifies capability gaps and cross-organizational dependencies. By doing so, you can help create strategies that improve your cloud readiness, ensure stakeholder alignment, and facilitate relevant organizational change management activities. Next, launch. You can deliver products in production and demonstrate incremental business value. Pilots should be highly impactful as they will influence future direction, and learning from pilots will help you and change your approach before scaling to full production. Lastly, scale. This is where you can grow pilots and business value to the desired scale that you were looking for, and you can ensure that the business benefits associated with your cloud investments are realized. Lastly, use cases. So, first, technology. It can help relocate and modernize legacy infrastructure, applications, and data and analytics platforms. The cloud value benchmarking shows that relocating from on premises to AWS leads to the following benefits: a 27% reduction in cost per user, a 58% increase in the virtual machines managed per administrator, a 57% decrease in downtime, and a 34% decrease in security incidents. Next, it can help in the process by digitizing, automating, and optimizing your business operations. This could include new data and analytics platforms to make actionable insights. Using machine learning, you can improve your customer service experience, employee productivity and decision making, business forecasting, fraud detection and prevention, as well as industrial operations. Next, organization. You can reimagine how your business and technology teams create customer value and you can meet your strategic intent. Furthermore, organizing your teams around products and value streams can be done while also leveraging agile methods to quickly change and evolve, all helping you become more responsive and customer centric. Lastly, product. You can reimagine your business model by making new value propositions and revenue models. The cloud value benchmarking shows that adopting AWS leads to the following: a 37% reduction in time to market for new features and applications, a 342% increase in code deployment frequency, and a 38% reduction in the time it takes to deploy new code. So, in conclusion, as technological innovation continues to grow, the need for continuous digital transformation will obviously become more apparent. Cloud Adoption Framework utilizes AWS's experience and the best possible practices in order to help you quicken your business outcomes through the innovative use of AWS. You can also utilize the Cloud Adoption Framework to identify and prioritize transformation opportunities, evaluate and improve your cloud readiness, and iteratively evolve your transformation roadmap. We gathered all this information from the link provided on the screen, and it will also be linked in the description below of the live stream. Thank you for joining in today. We hope you learned something about the AWS's Cloud Adoption Framework and how it can help you digitize and transform into the cloud. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.